Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you won't lose anything important, so back up contacts to iCloud or export a vCard now. Once done, go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts, and disable contacts for any account you don't want cleared. This prevents resync. Now open the Contacts app. That's where you'll remove entries. You're taking these steps to control which sources are deleted and to avoid accidental loss, so don't skip the backup before continuing. You can delete single contacts with Contact Edit Delete Contact, but for many entries use iCloud, COM, or a Mac. Sign in, open contacts, select the range, shift-click or command-click, then press Delete. Once deleted on iCloud, your iPhone syncs and removes them too. Alternatively, trusted third-party apps can batch delete on device. Use one with good reviews. Make sure to check the recently deleted folder to permanently erase or recover items. This step ensures the deletions stick. To finish, verify contacts are gone, and then turn off Contacts Sync in Settings to stop any unintended restores. If you need a complete device wipe, use Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Erase all content and settings. This removes all numbers and data. If something goes wrong, re-enable iCloud contacts or sign out and sign back in. Waiting a few minutes for iCloud to sync often resolves inconsistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.